Guys, Jack here. Right, I'm going to stop doing that part 1 and part 2 stuff. So, let's get comfy on this chair. Right, so, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a Futwiz Pack opening. I'm not going to do the part 3. Can't be bothered. As well being back at school. Got my SATs in a few weeks. So, yeah, 79k, 199k. I hate the price ranges that they've done. Damn annoying. I like the price pack openings YouTubers are doing as well. We saw WrestleMania. Because I can't believe Daniel Bryan's the champion now. I see. Can't open. There we go. Whoa, 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 whoa. I don't know if anyone is 6.2. I'm not even joking, that is legit. And company as well. Company's only worth 25k anyway. Watch this. Even prove it's legit. What's that? So, boom. As if I got half camera. Right, 264k the pack after. I'm starving tea. Well, it's just been put in now, so. Oh my god. Back to back oranges. Orange Salah, and they're both gold ones as well. Like gold oranges, because I know there's like Bessat and all the bronze ones. Do you want me to tell you the most embarrassing things that's ever happened to me on Futwiz before? I was on it obviously, and oh my god, 3 oranges in 1 pack opening. 87 voting actually. Take a picture of that one. Go. So, can't believe that. A second. Never mind, it's shut already. It was that 696. That was Ibrahimovic. Yeah. So his pack look today has been pretty good. Not had a legend, but be cool if we get a legit legend on the screen. Like on camera. 68. No. In a minute, I might open a 14 pack, see what I can get. I might open 5 14 actually. 1.11. Who is it? Load. Oh. 4 oranges in 1 pack opening, guys. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let my dog in from the side. Is there anything in? Ah! That's one. Chips, because I knew I was having chip fingers. 4 oranges in 1 pack opening.